Hi, this training video will demonstrate the proper method for using two types of electronic balances commonly found in the lab, the precision balance and the analytical balance. When you're weighing out chemicals, make sure you follow all of the safety instructions, including wearing your lab coat, your safety goggles, and gloves. We'll start with the precision balance and then move on to the analytical balance. This is a precision balance. With any electronic balance, you want to make sure that it's placed on a flat surface free of vibration. You also want to make sure that it's level. You can adjust the balance through these adjustable leveling feet on either side until the leveling indicator here is in the center of the bubble. This particular model has a maximum weight of 1,620 grams. With a readability of 0.01 grams, which is indicated by the second decimal place here in the readout. The readability is the smallest difference between two measured values that can be read on the display. The other function that might be useful is changing from grams to milligrams depending on the range that you're weighing out. Due to the larger maximum readability of the precision balance, it's most often used for weighing out larger amounts of chemicals, like large amounts of sucrose, for example. You want to make sure that you choose the appropriate vessel for weighing out your chemical. There's 3 different sizes of weigh boats here, as well as weigh paper. You also want to choose the proper tool for weighing out your chemical, a scoopula or a spatula, which is often tapered on one end. The method for weighing out your chemical is to take your weigh boat and place it on the balance. You'll see that it has a weight. You then want to zero it by pressing the button here that says 0/T. The T stands for tare, which is another word for zero. You wait until the balance has zeroed. Take your chemical. In this case, I'm going to use the scoopula. I'm going to hold my chemical over my weigh boat, and I'm going to add the chemical until I get to the proper amount that I need. If I were to spill anything, I would take the brush and brush it off to the side and leave it clean for the next time. This is an analytical balance. It can weigh out a maximum of 220 grams with a readability of 0.1 milligrams. As seen here on the scale, it goes to 4 decimal places. Again, you can switch from grams to milligrams depending on the scale that you want to use. Because of the small readability, this model has a draft shield, which is used to protect the samples from surrounding influences. It also provides faster stabilization times and optimizes the repeatability. The analytical balance is used to weigh out small amounts of chemical with increased accuracy. You have to choose the appropriate vessel for weighing it out. If you use weigh paper, you might find it easier to fold it in half and then fold it back over itself so that it's easier to transfer your chemical into the next stage. Open one door of the draft shield, place the paper on the pan, and close the door again. Wait for the balance to stabilize and zero it. Now you're ready to weigh out your chemical. Open both doors. Open your chemical with one hand, take your spatula with the other, and bring them in the door so that it's over your paper. This way, if you spill it, it will land on your paper and not on the balance or on the bench. Weigh out the amount of chemical that you need. Close both doors, waiting for the balance to stabilize before taking your final reading. It's important that students develop the correct skills for using electronic lab equipment properly and safely. When you get to the lab, if you're still unsure or you have any questions, make sure you ask for help. And remember, every experiment is an opportunity to learn and develop skills no matter the outcome.